Hey Catherine. Can I go to McDonald's by myself with my girlfriend?
Dave. Stop making that noise.
What noise?
That hiccup noise, and please stop it, Cass, it's annoying. Just go away and do it somewhere else like McDonald's. You can go there all you want since you're a grown man.
Okay Catherine.
Dave. Stop it. Wait a second. To get rid of the hiccups, hold your breath as long as hard as possible.
Okay. I will do it.
Oh my gosh. What have I done? I killed Dave and something is gonna happen. Oh no! Oh. No! This can't be happening to Homo erectus. Let me give him a CPR.
Oh. My God. I almost died.
Well, Dave. I don't know how to get rid of your hiccups, but I am so annoyed about it and I can't deal with it.
Just tell my girlfriend.
Anna. Get your butt over here right now.
What is it, Catherine, and why are you mad?
I am mad because Dave Johnson, your boyfriend, is annoying me with his hiccups. They are for babies. So I need your help. Stop the hiccup right now or I'm gonna squeeze your titties.
Yes Anna. I can't help it with my hiccups. It won't go away.
Well. Just your breath till it stops.
I tried doing that. But I fainted and collapsed.
Then I don't know. Let me tell Brian to come out. Brian. Come over here right now. We need your help.
I heard you needed help with Dad's hiccups.
Yes. Can you help us get rid of it?
I have one idea. How about I jump scare him by watching the YouTube video? Jesus Christ. That jump scared me so hard.
That was the most traumatizing experience ever.
That scared the crappy soul out of me.
That didn't scare me. I got used to being jump scared even as a child.
Wait. What? How didn't you get jump scared? I thought you were too childish to resist it.
I got used to it.
My plan didn't work. God damn it. Plan 2. I think we should pop a balloon.
All right. I'm gonna throw the dart in 3, 2, 1.
That didn't scare me, Anna. You think I am a scaredy cat? No. I am a poor man.
God damn it again. It didn't work for the second time. The next plan we got is to hang myself.
Okay, Brian. I will save you from dying, okay? Do your plan.
Don't do it, Brian. You're gonna die and it's too dangerous that you could get this video demonished. That's ridiculous, Anna and Brian. You are being dangerous to yourself like Mr. Franklin.
That didn't scare me.
Thanks for saving me, Mom.
Brian. What you're doing is dangerous towards yourself. That is the worst idea from you to cure Dad's hiccups. I'm out anyway since you were doing bad things.
That didn't scare you. Let me came up with the plan. How about we drink water as slow as we can? Did it work yet?
I think so.
God damn it again. It didn't work.
I think we should play the Russian roulette next since this is scary game and life risking. We should use a fake revolver I found. Go.
Didn't scare me. I am a brave man.
Didn't work. How about we jump off the airplane and open up the parachute? Are you ready, Dave? Here we go.
Here we go.
Wait. What are you doing? Oh no, what? What?
Did it work, Dad?
No. The hiccups are gone. Please don't push me up to a parachute ever again, cause I could die.
Okay, Dad. We won't do it ever again.
Well, we ran out of plan to stop Dad's hiccup, Brian.
Yeah. We are exhausted.
Dave? I am so thanks to you. I got a notification about you that you your house payment and it's due about a day ago. Haven't you forgot? Tell me where's the money right now or I will beat the shit out of your asshole so hard that your rib is hurting the worst.
Oh.
Stop it with your hiccups. It's so annoying.
I can't help it, Mr. Franklin. It's hard to deal.
That's none of your excuses, Dave. I am very strict. I'm gonna kick your rib.
I forgot actually, because I have to deal with the family drama every day and got distracted.
See that? This is why you strictly pay on time. You should have managed your time wisely and look at you. You're poor lazy man who acts childish. You should be ashamed of yourself. If you hiccup one more time, I swear to God, I will beat the out of you asshole ribs.
I'm scared of you, Mr. Franklin.
That's is so it. You asked for it.
My abs and ribs hurt so much you kicked me hard and my stomach is being crampy. Ouch, 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 ouch,
That's what you get for missing your house payment a day ago and hiccuping a lot at me, which annoys me a lot. Please stop being lazy and pay your house payment on time or I will kill the crap out of your head.
Mr. Franklin, you don't have to do this to my boyfriend. He didn't do anything serious, and even if he misses his payments, just give him interest or something. We are tired of you threatening to injure people and you are Mr. Goodman 2.0 and it's getting very old.
Shut up and I get to do whatever the I want. Whatever. I'm out.
Dad. Are you okay?
Ouch. No. My rib hurt from all the kicking Mr. Franklin did to me. And oh wait. By the way, I think my hiccups are gone thanks to him.
Finally. Dave's hiccups are gone.
Oh God. Here we go again. Mom is hiccuping. I know I have to kick between her chest and stomach.
Wah.
What is the most annoying or uncomfortable thing to you?
Thanks for watching. Make it a like, subscribe, ring the bell, and put thanks for Homo erectus 2000.
Do it or else I will bite and rip your balls, ears, cans, nose, etc. and you better thank Homo erectus 2000 to pay your house payment.
So viewer, please do what they ask or they will jump on you so hard.